Good day, everyone. Today, we will be discussing characteristics of different types of soil. Together, let's make learning science fun and easy. The earth is composed of three parts, namely soil, water, and air, with the interaction of the sun as the main source of energy on earth. Soil is a very important natural resource on earth made up of tiny particles of rocks and decayed plants and animals. It also contains water and some gases found at the uppermost layer. Soil has different types: the clay, loam, and sand. Let's do this. The activity that you are going to perform will help you define what soil is and identify the different types of soil based on their physical characteristics. Learning Task 1, can you identify me? Place each sample of soils on separate cups. Scoop soil from each sample. Clay, loam, and sand. This is the clay soil. Let us observe its properties and characteristics. This is a loam soil. Let us observe again its characteristics and textures. And this is a sandy soil. Let us observe its characteristics. Clay soil, a loam soil, and the sandy soil. Soil characteristics. Soil A, the color is black. Its texture is feels sticky when wet. Its odor is earthy odor. Soil B, color dark brown. The texture is loose, single-grained. Odor earthy odor. Soil C, its color is light brown. Texture is coarse and gritty. Odor is earthy odor. What common characteristics did you observe on your samples? The common characteristics between the three samples of soil is their earthy odor. Do the samples have the same color, texture, and odor? Why do you think so? The samples are not the same in color and texture, but they are the same in odor. It is because they have different characteristics. What do you think is the type of soil that you observed? The types of soil I observed are clay soil, loam soil, and sandy soil. Define soil based on your observation. Soil has different types: clay, loam, and sand. Clay is a soil with particles packed together. It is sticky when wet and has the finest texture. Loam is a mixture of sand and clay. It has a fine texture. Sand is a soil with coarse and loose particles. Let's do this. Now that you are familiar with what soil is and its types and characteristics in the succeeding activity, you will clearly investigate the effects of soil types on the growth of mungo seed and identify factors that affect the growth of mungo seeds. Learning Task 2. What do I need in order to grow? Place equal amount of soil in each cup. Mark each cup with the same type of soil. Each cup will contain 1 tablespoon of mungo seeds. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of water in each cup. Place setup A inside the house. Do not expose them to sunlight. Place setup B outside the house where they are exposed to sunlight. Day 1 of the inside the house. Day 1 outside the house. Day 2 outside the house. Day 2 inside the house. Day 3 outside the house. Day 3 inside the house. Try the activity to confirm growth of Mongo sprout. Set up A. Clay. Observations in Day 1, no sprout. Day 2, no sprout. And Day 3 is no sprout. Type of soil used, sandy. Day 1, tiny sprout. Day 2, small stems. Day 3, longer stem and some leaves. Set up, type of soil used is loam. Observations, Day 1, tiny sprout. Day 2, small stem and some leaves. Day 3, longer stem and more leaves. Set up, type of soil with sunlight. Clay. Observations, Day 1, no sprout. Day 2, no sprout. Day 3, no sprout. With sunlight, type of soil used, sandy. Observations, Day 1, tiny sprout. Day 2, small stem. Day 3, longer stem and some leaves. With sunlight, type of soil used, loam. Observations, Day 1, tiny sprouts. Day 2, small stem and some leaves. And Day 3 is longer stem and more leaves. Set up, type of soil use. Observations, clay. Day 1, number of leaves, height in cm, color of leaves, none. Day 2, number of leaves, height in cm, color of leaves, none. Day 3, number of leaves, height in cm, color of leaves, none. Types of soil use, sandy. Day 1, number of leaves, height in cm, color of leaves, none. Day 2, number of leaves, 4. Height in cm, 2 cm. Color of leaves, Yellow-green. Day 3, number of leaves, 10. Height in cm, 4 cm. Color of leaves, green. Type of soil used, loam. Day 1, number of leaves, height in cm, color of leaves, none. Day 2, number of leaves, 8. Day 2, height in cm, our color of the leaves is yellow, height in cm is, number of leaves is 14. Day 3, height in cm is 6 cm, color of leaves is green. With sunlight, type of soil use, clay. Day 1, number of leaves, height in cm, color of leaves, none. Day 2, number of leaves, none. Height in cm and color of leaves. Day 3, number of leaves, height in cm, color of leaves, none. Types of soil used with sunlight, sandy. Day 1, number of leaves, height in cm, color of leaves. Day 2, yellow-green. Day 3, number of leaves, 14. Height in cm, 6 cm. Color of leaves, green. Types of soil used with sunlight, loam. Day 1, number of leaves, height in cm, color of leaves, none. Day 2, number of leaves, 10. Height in cm in day 2 is 6 cm. Color of leaves, yellow-green. Day 3, number of leaves, 20. Height in cm, 10 cm. Color of leaves, green. In which cup and setup did the seeds sprout first? Why is this so? Both setups have a sprout on the first day, but the setup with sunlight has more sprouts other than the setup without the sunlight. In which cup did the mango seeds grow best? Why? The mango seed grows best in setup with sunlight because the plant also needs sunlight to grow healthy and faster. What does the activity show? The activity shows that a plant will grow faster if they are supplied with the necessary nutrients that they need. Let's do this. Read each item carefully. Choose the letter of your answer. Which type of soil is characterized as having the finest particles holding greater amount of water? A. Loam, B. Clay, C. Sand. The correct answer is B. Clay. Which type of soil is best for planting? A. Loam, B. Clay, or C. Sand. The correct answer is A. How does its soil types differ? A. Texture, B. Color, C. Both A and B. The correct answer is C. Which type of soil do you usually expect if the community is along the seashore? A. Loam, B. Clay, C. Sand. The correct answer is C. Why is soil important to living things? A. Forms part of the earth where animals live. B. Provides the necessary nutrients needed by plants. C. Serves as a place where people live. And D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Thank you for watching. Till our next science lesson. Goodbye!